Welcome everyone, I would like to show how to get the Edge browser on your Xbox Series S. You can see the left analog stick, controls like a mouse cursor. The right analog stick can be used for scrolling. You click on A and that will do a click. And so what we can do is we can search for my favorite YouTuber. It's called Saunders Tech. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of this guy before. So we just click into this one here. You can see it's almost like this is my main channel. Hey, anyway, let's get right into it. So what you're going to do first of all is you're going to click on the Xbox button on your controller, then click on My Games and Apps, see all, and then you'll be brought here. You're going to go down one until you see Apps, click into it, and you will see under Events there should be Microsoft Edge right here. If you don't see Microsoft Edge, you're going to go to the Microsoft Store and you just want to search up. So let's click on cancel that. Search and just search up for Edge, then download it onto your Xbox. Once you have it downloaded, there it is, Microsoft Edge. So if any of you are interested, I would say subscribe to this channel, but you probably don't want to. Subscribe to my main channel instead. If you have an iPhone, right? I do a bunch of like jailbreaking videos, stuff like that. 100k subs strong, pretty cool. And of course, it's the same person. You can check that out for yourself if you don't believe me. And yeah, this is my favorite tutorial. How do I custom text lock screen, right? You don't need to hack your phone. You put it in supervised mode, which is really easy, and then from there you can add custom texture lock screen. On my personal iPhone 13 Pro Max, what I put? I put confidential and proprietary. That's what the Apple employees put on the lock screen, by the way. And then instead of call, I just put email and then my email address. So I got a bit off tangent here because I enjoy uploading to this channel. I'm not saying I don't. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.